Assalamualaikum, Sir Haris and all of my friends. We from Group 8 will explain Unit 11 about market. First, I will introduce my group. Nathan Yordan Sitompul 2020 Albaru Wicaksono 2020 Ika Selviana 2015 Ayu Lestari 2015 Andrian 2017
Hello friend, my name is Nathan Yordan Stompul, NIM 2020808190. I will read the answer, page 94. Types of markets. Look at the products below. Match the pictures with the kind of markets they represent. 1. Commodities market represent A. 2. Real estate or property market represent C. 3. Stock market represent B. 4. Consumer goods or mass market represent A. 5. Labor market represent D. Number 2. Think of one major item that you have either bought or sold recently. How did the transaction take place? Did you negotiate the price? Were you satisfied with the result? I buy one piece of Kaminsky t-shirt. This transaction happened because I love the motif of this brand. There is negotiable the price because it's the retail price. I satisfy with the product and price because this is that I want. Number 3. Have you ever bought or sold something on the internet? What is different about buying things in an online market? Yes, I am. Different is buying things in online market are 1. The process more easier. 2. Discount. 3. Saving time. Reading electronic market. Number 1. Read the article about eBay, the online auction site, which paragraph A until F give information about the following things. Number 1. What eBay does when it detects unusual activity by seller? The answer A. Number 2. Possible threat to the developing business? The answer C. Number 3. The different things you can buy on eBay? The answer A. Number 4. How transactions are evaluated? The answer D. Number 5. How popular eBay is? The answer F. Number 6. Why eBay conduct live interview with buyer and seller? The answer B. Number 2. Read the next again to answer the question. Number 1. What conventional operating cost does the eBay model not have? E-commerce platform. Number 2. What service do the customer provide to the company? Keeping in touch with all those customers. Number 3. How did eBay begin? eBay customer are its product development, market research, merchandising, and sales department all rolled into one. It not just that hey made eBay into a global marketplace for almost anything from a $1 baseball card to a $4.9 million. Number 4. How is the company developing? Interview every single person leaving every store. Post a list of what each thought of the shopping experience. Ask them to write up a merchandising plan and call suppliers to arrange deliver. Number 5. What are the main threats to eBay's future success? eBay can respond quickly when something does go wrong.
Hello, my name is Ayu Lestari, NIM 2015-60285. I will present page 95. Will eBay unique relationship with its customer become a casualty of the auction site success? A. Meet the people's company. Like a democracy, it can be a noisy place where citizens sometimes think the people in charge have no idea what they're doing. But at eBay, the online auction site, the people are in charge. Its customer, the 17 million buyer and seller voted here, have the kind of influence that most consumer and business can only dream of. It's true, eBay has a business model that does require carrying in inventory. But the real secret of eBay unlikely success is this. It's a master at capturing the awesome communication power of the internet, tracking customer every movement so new product and service are tailored to just they want. B. eBay customer are its product development, market research, merchandising, and sales development all rolled into one. It's not just that have made eBay into a global marketplace for almost anything from $1 baseball card to for $19 Gulfstream jet. eBay customer also tell the world about eBay by word of mouth. They crawl online discussion board, share tips, point on glitches, and lobby for change. eBay customer even polish the site by rating each other. Image a retailer trying to this, interview every single person leaving every store, post a list of what each thought of the shopping experience, ask them to write up a merchandising plan and call supplier to overrun deliverance. And oh, by the way, call they keep an eye out of overstopping. That what eBay customer voluntarily do each other. See, back in 1995, when Pierre Omidyar unveiled auction web, he had much more in mind than simply helping his girlfriend trade past dispenser. He aimed to create a market for a wide range of goods, but with a difference. I wanted to give the power of the market back into individual. Say Omidyar, but his biggest breakthrough was the feedback forum, a rating system that makes it easy for buyer and seller to grade each transaction. Amazingly, it worked and positive rank wise transferred to more sellers, keep people from going to other sites. Some of it most effective way of getting user input talk don't depend on the internet. Since the early 1999, eBay has regularly from in group of sellers and buyers to headquarters in California to interview them, asking for their view on new features and policies. The result, fewer problems. Even when something does go wrong, eBay can be resolved quickly. They can essentially negotiation with 15,000 users and once and make it work. Say Munjal Shah, CEO of Andale. Most of all, eBay simply watches almost all of its fastest growing new categories grow out of observing seller activity. After noting random car sales, eBay created separate site called eBay Motor. This year, eBay expects to grow some $318 worth of odds and parts, and many of them sold by dealers. Is the way of the future, said Bradley Bonifacius, internet manager and then selling for ENC. If eBay Business is the company that's offering a new site providing business with an e-commerce platform. It exiting new territory and dangerous. Many rivals aim to be the biggest place for e-commerce too, and some the making for progress. But there are a bigger question: can eBay's value survive such grand ambition? Omidio worries that the growing participation of large commercial sellers could dilute eBay unicorn culture. If we lost that, we've pretty much lost everything, he said. eBay's people power made building in business. Simply compared with everything conventional companies must do. Keeping in touch with all those customers from here won't be easy.
Hello, my name Andrian, NIM 2017-50495. I will answer the page 96. The following items were either sold on eBay or withdrawn from sale by eBay management. Guess which one were actually sold and for how much? Turn on page 143 for the answer. Next, I will explain vocabulary 1. The essential guide to starting your own online business. If you are thinking of trading on eBay, then there are a few simple questions that you should ask yourself before you start. It's one thing to auction a few personal items from time to the but actually running your own online business. It's a different thing together. First, what sort of product should you sell? What special characteristic does your product have that make it unique? How much inventory will you need to stock to keep your retailer customer rate transaction after a sale? You can find the answer to all these questions and more in Kathleen Martin's new book Online Business, The Easy Way. Kathleen shares her secret in this new book that could set you off on the road to becoming a successful online client. Order now. Next, I will answer the vocabulary 2. Compound nouns. Match the two halves of the following compound nouns. First, auction. The answer is B. Site. 2. Merchandising. The answer is A. Plan. 3. Feedback. Answer is C. Board. 4. Discussion. Answer is E. Forum. 5. Market. The answer is F. Research. And the last, e-commerce. The answer is D. Platform.
Hello guys, my name is Alvaro Wicaksono with NIM 2020-8191. I will explain page 97.
Gerund and infinitives. Look at the following uses of the gerund. After preposition, eBay's customers even polish the site by rating each other. As a noun, keeping in touch with all those customers won't be easy. After certain verbs, the eBay sellers enjoy meeting each other. Look at the following uses of the infinitive. To plus verb. After a adjectives make it easy for buyers and sellers to grade each transaction. After certain verbs, I wanted to give the power of the market back to individuals, to show purpose, flown in sellers and buyers to its headquarters to interview them. Practice. Complete the following profile of Pierre Omidyar, the founder of eBay, with appropriate gerund or infinitive forms. The world's most successful auctioneer. Pierre Omidyar is today at the head of one of the internet's biggest success stories, eBay. Born in France, Pierre moved to the USA at the age of 6 when his father was given the opportunity of working at Johns Hopkins University. During his school years in the US, Pierre started writing computer programmers for $6 an hour. Knowing how important computers would become in the future, he decided to apply for a place at Tufts University after graduating in 1988. Pierre then worked as a software developer before creating his first startup Inc. Development Corporation in 1991. The company produced software that enabled computers to read instructions given by pen and not through a keyboard. 5 years later, he succeeded in selling the company to Microsoft. It was not until 1995 that he came up with the idea of launching a website which would serve both as a market for exchanging collectors' items and as a forum where collectors could meet discussing their passion. From a hobby, it soon became a full-time occupation, and after renaming it eBay, the world's most open marketplace, was born. Now a billionaire, Omidyar has set himself a new goal, getting rid of 99% of his fortune during his lifetime by financing non-profit making operations around the world.
Hello, my name is Ika Selviana, NIM 2015-612. I will read the answer page 98. Clear skill. Once one person has made a suggestion, the other person can either accept, refuse, or ask for it to be modified. Which of the phrases below can be used to do ears of their thing? Number 1. I'm afraid we can refuse. Number 2. Maybe it would be better to ask for modification. Number 3. Okay, that's great. Exit. Number 4. What? How about? Ask for modification. Number 5. I don't know about that. Refuse. Number 9. We could always ask for modification. Number 7. Don't. That's fine. Exit. Number 8. There's no way we can refuse.